This video is about managing the Tenants tab inside of admin.hatz.ai. So if you log into admin.hatz.ai, and especially if you're a primary admin or an admin, this is directed at you. So in another video, we talk about this reporting dashboard, but if you want to look at something for a specific tenant, you're going to click over to the Tenants tab and then choose the one that you want to look at. But before we even get there, I want to point out a few things that are new here on this page. The first thing is we show you what package a tenant is on. This is a demo tenant, so not all of these have packages assigned, but you'll be able to see starter pack, professional pack, SMB, business, whatever package with the number of credits that tenant has, you'll see it here. You'll also see how many users and the login percentage for that tenant. There's actually a little icon here that you can hover over, and it says the percentage of users that have logged in during the current billing period. So this isn't ever. This isn't 0% all time. That just means that no one from company A has logged in during the last billing period. It'll also show you, based on their login rate and their usage, the status. So you might see inactive, and that'll be 0% credit, 0% login rate. You'll see active, which is there's some logins and there's some credits being consumed. And another status that we don't have listed here is upgrade opportunity. So if the credit usage exceeds 100%, it'll show you how much it exceeds it by and let you know that there's a possibility for an upgrade, meaning moving from starter pack to SMB, SMB to business, business to professional. So let's click into one of these tenants. We'll click into Hatz Live Demo. And the first thing you'll notice if you're coming from the dashboard is this looks very similar, except you don't have the option to filter by tenants. This is just for this tenant. And it shows the billing period, but you can filter by time here. So the same details that are on the dashboard, but just for this tenant. Something that's different over here is upgrade package. So you can click here if you want to upgrade the package based on the credit usage. The users tab over here on the left shows you who's in the platform. This is where you can add new users to the tenant. Workshop items are all of the apps, workflows, and agents that are built in this tenant. Groups, there's a separate video about groups, but this is where you can create a group maybe for a sales team or an HR team that only certain people will have access to, or certain workflow items like apps, agents, and workflows will be put in that. Think of it as a folder for a department. So your HR team can have their own folder with their own workflows and their own users that the people on sales or operations might not see. The custom permissions, nothing has really changed here. You can create new permissions, and there's a separate video about that too. And then organization settings. This is a relatively new feature. You can add a custom logo for each one of your tenants. So each one of your clients can have their own logo shown in this top left corner when they log into, for example, msp123.hatz.ai. So that's a quick tour of the updated Tenants tab. We hope it helps you better understand how your tenants and how your users are using and interacting with the platform, along with the new reporting metrics on the dashboard.